Hello again, welcome back to the channel. I'm John from The Final Third, and in this video we're going to be showing you how to add a video to your watch later page. We're going to be doing it on PC and also on mobile. First of all, we'll start off on the PC. Right, so you're on your page here and you're scrolling through, you see a video that you like, it could be any video. All you need to do is click on the watch later page, and as you can see there's none in there. So what you want to do, you go back to a video that you like. Now this could be any video. You just click on this one here. Got three little dots on the right hand side there. I'm just going to highlight my mouse. And you got add to queue, save to watch later, save to playlist, and so on, share and all the rest of them. The one we're interested in is save to watch later. So we click on that, and that should then be in your watch later. So if we come back over here, there it is. So we got it in our save for watch later, and we can remove it from our watch later page as well. Now you can also, if you're looking at a video, you find one and you think, oh, I like this video. We've got one up here now. It's a train one. We do like a train on this channel. We see the video we like, we come across to the bottom right hand corner and you've got the three dots, and we can just click on save. A little box will pop up with watch later and all the playlists there. We just click on the watch later and that should save it in there. Now another way is if you like quite a few videos from the same channel, you could then go over to the channel. This is Twin Rover, the train one. It's one of my own. I think I have said that before. But if you can just scroll through and think, oh, there's quite a lot of those here. You could check the playlists and then just add the whole playlist or view playlist. This is one of my own, but if you just see one of them, one video that you like, you just click on the little three dots, add to queue, or add save to watch later, not add to queue, save to watch later. See another one there. Oh, we like that one. Save to watch later. So then you come over onto the right left hand side again, click on your watch later, and there they all are. There's all the ones you've got in there. Now this will work on mobile as well. So we're just going to pop over onto the mobile now. Right, so we're on the mobile now. We've got the same channel, Twin Rover, which is the one we've had up here before. So if you look on your history, you come down to your playlists. So you have your history, they're the videos you've been watching on the top there. If you come down to playlists, click on that. And they're the three that we added earlier. You come down to here, scroll along the bottom, we like this one. And it's got save. So we just click on save. You click on the little watch later button again at the top. Confirm it, done. So we can go back. We can stop that video, we can find another one that we like. A lot of my own ones are coming up here. Go back to the home page. There's another one there. You click on that. Roll along to the right. Click on save, and that should then go back into your watch later. So we'll go back to our channel, and there we have it. They're all the ones we just saved. It'll be the newest ones first. They'll go to the top of the page, and all the ones below it. Now if you ever needed to remove them, if you've watched them and they're no longer needed in your save to watch, because it can fill up pretty quickly, you just click the three little dots on the right hand side, remove from watch later, and that'll just remove it. Now you can do it from all of the videos. This one here, remove from watch later, and that'll do the same thing. Okay, and that's it. It's a pretty simple little thing that anyone can do really, or how you want to do it on mobile or PC. It's actually easy on the PC, I find, because it's bigger and you can navigate around it. It's a little bit trickier on the phone. You're trying to find it and everything's compacted and so on. But anyway, I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. If there's any other videos you'd be interested in me making, drop them in the comments and hopefully we can do them. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.